One of my favorite oils to use internally is lemon. Lemon is your cleanser inside and out. One of my favorite ways to use lemon essential oil internally is just to add a drop or two to my water and sip on it throughout the day. Whenever you use lemon or another citrus in your water or your beverage, it does a really nice, gentle detox of your filtering organs. When we keep our liver and kidneys nice and clear of toxins, then our body just works so much better. And this is a great way to do that and support our body systems. When you are going to be adding your oils to your tea, your lemonade, your water, any type of food or beverage, you want to make sure that you are only using a glass, ceramic, or stainless steel container because they will break down plastic and we don't want that. It's also an amazing cleanser for your household. You can add 10 to 15 drops to some water and vinegar, and it's a great way to disinfect your surfaces and really effective at getting off some of the sticky stuff that ends up being a little hard to budge. I also love using essential oil in the diffuser. It's just sunshine in a bottle. It is so light, oh, and bright. It's uplifting to the mood. It gives you a little burst of energy, a little bit of focus. And this is a really nice one to blend with other things and create a custom aroma and effect just for you. One last safety note about lemon essential oil is you can use it topically. It's a great clarifier for the skin, but it will make you photosensitive too. So make sure that you avoid the sun for about 8 hours. Lemon essential oil is one of my favorites and is so versatile to use aromatically, topically, and internally. It tastes delicious and is one you're going to definitely want to check out.